In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Google AI Studio app for free. If you've already built your app inside Google AI Studio and you're ready to put it online, this is one of the simplest ways to do it. Google AI Studio includes a built-in hosting option called the Google Cloud Starter tier. And the big advantage here is that it's completely free for up to 2 full-stack applications. You also don't need to set up a Google Cloud billing account or enter a credit card, which makes this a very beginner-friendly option. Start by opening your project in Google AI Studio. Make sure you're inside the app you want to publish, and take a quick moment to confirm everything is working the way you expect before you deploy it. Once your project is open, go to the top right corner and click the Publish or Deploy button. This opens the deployment flow and lets you choose how you want to host your app. When prompted to select a deployment track, choose Google Cloud Starter tier. This is the easiest option if your goal is to get your app live quickly without dealing with extra cloud setup. Next, choose a custom subdomain. You'll enter a unique name for your project, and this becomes part of your live website address. Your final URL will follow the Google AI Studio hosting format, so pick something simple, clear, and easy to remember. If the name you want is already taken, just try a slight variation until you find one that's available. After that, click Publish App. Google AI Studio will handle the deployment process for you, and once it finishes, your app will be live on the web. One important reason this method is so useful is security. Google automatically manages the backend using Google Cloud Run, which means your Gemini API key stays hidden on the server side. Public users won't be able to see it or steal it, which is exactly what you want when deploying an AI-powered app.